Hello there, my name is Valerie White Williams and I would like to welcome you to my new channel, YouTube Success Strategies. This is a channel that's kind of a sister relationship to my Facebook group. I have a private Facebook group called YouTube Success Strategies as well. And this is a channel where I'm going to talk about how you can build your YouTube channel to build you clients, bring you clients and bring you subscribers. And this is from my experience of creating a channel in 2010. I was a new voice teacher in Seattle. I've been teaching from other cities, but when I moved to Seattle, I created a YouTube channel thinking that would help me market my studio in a crowded, competitive market. So I created some videos so people could get to know me. And I ended up uploading more and more tutorial videos. And what happened is one of my videos went viral, and then I started getting requests for voice lessons all over the country. So now I'm actually at 42,000 subscribers. So I've grown to that point. To be honest, I grew partly because I started doing reaction videos, but before I did reaction videos, my channel was up to 8,000 subscribers. And so this is what I want to teach you guys, how you can build your channel. And this has been something that I've been thinking about for a long time because I've seen a lot of my friends' channels and they have great content, but they're just not getting traction. And so I want to help you build your channel so you can get followers to come to you. And it's really simple, but it's not necessarily intuitive. So I want to share with you, why me? Why am I the person to share with you in this market, this YouTube coach market? First of all, I want to tell you that I am always been self-employed. When I was a young college student, I actually studied voice, but I also didn't want my parents to know that I was going to be a music major, so I also double majored in business administration and marketing. So that was one of the best choices I ever made, even though I really didn't like business finance. I couldn't stand the teacher, but I really loved the marketing aspect. One of my favorite classes was consumer behavior, on how people actually buy, what the reason for buy, the psychology behind the buying. So I've always had this knack of marketing. So when I got out of college, I started teaching voice at some point. And so right away, I was doing guerrilla marketing. I actually used posters and posted them in bulletin boards and advertised. So I was always aware of how marketing is key. Now, that said, I've never worked a corporate job. My only corporate job I worked at is high-end restaurants, but I've always been self-employed. So I've always had to do my own marketing, and I'm so grateful for my business background. So I think it was 1995, I actually had 3 children and I was going crazy. So I actually taught myself HTML. That's what I did with 3 kids. I'm gonna do something techie. So I learned HTML, taught myself HTML, and then a year later I started doing websites professionally. And right away I totally understood what SEO was, search engine optimization. So I've been aware of the whole keyword phenomena since the very beginning. And so once I started going to YouTube, I applied all of my background tech experience, which is primarily self-taught, with my marketing experience, and that's what happened. That's how my YouTube channel started blowing up. And so now I'm happy to teach you my secrets on how you can also grow your YouTube channel. And a lot of it comes from the keyword tags and the thumbnails and good content. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this channel to also give you information about how to grow your YouTube, but primarily what I'm focused on is my YouTube Facebook group called also YouTube Success Strategies. It's a private group. I'm going to leave the links below, and that's where I'm going to be doing most of my teaching on this subject. I will definitely cross-post these things, but that's where I'm going to be offering a free Facebook challenge to teach you some of my secrets. So I'm going to leave all the links below, and I'd love to see you there. All right, take care. I'm looking forward to teaching you and getting you guys your YouTube dreams, because if I can do it, you can do it. See you then.